Rattle Club. First lock I ever rattled. This guy right here. And I was told you can pretty much smash him open with a hammer, which you can see I'm starting to get it. Now I want to make sure the pins don't go flying out. There we go. There we go. There's the cord. Sorry. There's the cord, and there's all the pins in there. So I'm going to try to repair this and stick this in the core in a 6830 lock and see if I can pick it.